everyone, welcome to Vijay Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss about the main group lecture 4. In lecture 4, we are going to discuss the oxy acid, or we also call oxo acid. Okay. Now generally, first I'm going to discuss what is acid, what are the two classification of acid. Please note. Then acids are classified two types. Acids are classified two types. One is hydra acid. One is oxo or oxy, both are same. Oxo or oxy acid. What is hydra acid? Whenever hydrogen is bond with halogen, this is called hydra acid. We know very well the halogen is more electronegativity, right? Therefore this delta minus, this delta plus. This combination is called hydra. What is oxy and oxo acid mean? What? Hydrogen, then oxygen, the bond with X. In this case, oxygen is more electronegativity, right? Therefore this delta minus and delta plus. Here X, what is X? X generally nothing but non-metal. This is non-metal. It should be, X should be what? Nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, chlorine, bromine, and etc. Okay. In case the X should be nitrogen, that is called oxy acid of nitrogen. Sulfur on the oxy acid of sulfur. Phosphorus on the oxy acid of phosphorus. The chlorine, bromine, iodine on the oxy acid of halogen. Okay. Now today our target only we discuss about what? The oxy acid of phosphorus we are going to discuss today. Please note the topic is oxy or oxo. Okay. The oxo acids of phosphorus. Very important for your JAM exam or any MS entrance exam. Now see. First, you have to know the general, please know, very important, the common oxidation state of phosphorus. The common oxidation state of phosphorus. It should be +3 and +5. +3 and +5. An uncommon oxidation state, uncommon oxidation state of phosphorus, it should be +1 and +4. Listen, whenever the phosphorus containing +3, +4 on the, we call that is called ortho. Okay. Other phosphorus +1, +4 on this, we call hypo. Understand? Now, third important point. Always Ic oxidation state. Please understand. Ic acid. That's nothing but what? Higher oxidation state. This higher oxidation HOS. Us acid. What is acid? Nothing but what? The lower oxidation state. Now, the phosphorus containing +5 on the ortho phosphoric acid. Understand? Adhe +3 on the ortho phosphorus acid. Adhe phosphorus +4 on the hypo phosphoric acid. Okay. Adhe +1 on the hypo phosphoric acid. Understand? Very simple. Okay. Whenever the +3, +5 on the ortho, +1, +4 on the hypo. Adhe higher oxidation. This is called Ic, right? This is us. In case of ortho, adhe mari hypo. This is Ic. This is us. Understand? Very simple. Now I'm going to teach the overall trick for all the oxy acid of phosphorus. This trick very helpful for the exam point of view. Please note the trick to memorize the oxy acid of phosphorus formula. Now see, if we take Ic acid, now what is Ic acid? You know, right? Higher oxidation state. We take Ic acid, a removal of oxygen from Ic acid. The removal of oxygen from Ic acid, we get what? Us acid. We get us acid. Please note. Same. Again, remove from oxygen from us acid, I get hypo acid. I get what? Hypo acid. I give you the example for this three. Take H3PO4. This is orthophosphoric. This is H3PO4. The phosphorus +5. Therefore, this is orthophosphoric acid. Remove oxygen, they become what? H3PO3. Right. Again, remove oxygen, H3PO2. This is hypo. Understand? Now, very second important thing. Take Ic acid. Take 2 moles of. Okay. Take 2 molecules. The 2 molecules of Ic acid. Then remove the water molecule. I get what? Pyro acid. I get what? I get pyro acid. Very important. I take pyro acid. Pyro acid. Similarly, take Ic acid. Take Ic acid. Same. Take Ic acid. But take more than 2 molecules, not 2 molecules. Okay, I take what? The more than 2 molecules. Very important. more than 2 molecule of weak acid, more than 2 molecule, 2 molecules. Remove water, heat panni, remove water panni, NH2. I take, remove NH2. I get what? Meta acid. I get meta acid. Now, the meta acid are classified 2 types. One is cyclic, one is chain. One is chain meta acid, one is cyclic. Okay, one is chain, one is cyclic. Understand? Cyclic. This is pyro acid. Now, same thing. Same take ic acid. Ic acid. Add one oxygen extra. Add one oxygen. I get one. Peracid. I take peracid. For example, I take S3PO4. Add one oxygen extra, I get what? S3PO5. S3PO5. Okay. In case of peracid, what is the common term? They containing peroxy bond. OO bond. Please know this is what? The peroxy linkage. This is peroxy linkage. Okay. This is a common trick for all the oxyacid of phosphorus. Okay. And next slide I will explain what is a pyro, what is out of pyro acid can form, what is meta acid, two types, cyclic and what is a common formula. We discuss next slide one by one with the structure. Okay. Next I go for next slide to explain the structure of the oxyacid of phosphorus. Now see. Now take this example. S3PO4. Okay. The phosphorus plus 5, right? Therefore, this is called what? Plus 5 means ortho. We call ortho. Higher, therefore, orthophosphoric acid. Orthophosphoric, very important. Orthophosphoric acid. Orthophosphoric acid. And remove one oxygen from S3PO3, I get S3PO3, right? This is called orthophosphorus acid. This is orthophosphorus acid. Orthophosphorus acid. Remove from oxygen from this -4. Again, remove one oxygen from this S3PO3. I get what? S3PO2. S3PO2. This is called hypo, right? This is +3. This is +1. This hypo +1 or lower, right? Phosphorus acid. Hypophosphorus acid. Now, final one, H2PO3. H2PO3. This is +4. Therefore, this is hypophosphoric acid. This is hypophosphoric acid. Understand? Very simple. Okay. Now, this is a common formula right now. Structure. How can I draw the structure, sir? I go into it. It's a trick for the structure. Please note. This trick for what? Structure. How can I write the structure for all the oxide? Please note. Structure. What is the trick? See. Very simple. Okay. Please note. In oxy acid. In oxo or oxy. Okay. I take oxo acid and phosphorus is actually, okay, is actually, usually is pentavalent. What is pentavalent? 5 bonds surrounded. Actually, this is pentavalent. Okay. What does pentavalent mean? 4 sigma bond and 1 pi bond is surrounded by the phosphorus. Therefore, all the oxyacid of phosphorus, you take any pyro, hypo, okay, you take any oxyacid of phosphorus, always what? The phosphorus containing what? sp3 hybridization. This is for what? All oxyacid. Take any type oxyacid of phosphorus. Okay, this one hybridization state of phosphorus atom. Hybridization of which atom? This is P, phosphorus. Okay, phosphorus atom. Understand? So what is the common structure? See, phosphorus, a double bond O, then this bond OH. This pentavalent, right? See how many bonds on the phosphorus atom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentavalent. Okay, this is a common unit. Okay, this common unit for what? All the oxyacid of phosphorus. P double bond O, OH. This I put empty space, right? This 2 bond. We can replace what? Based on the formula, we can balance in the equation. We create the structure. Okay. Now going to explain the 4 basic structure. Now, take first one. S3PO4. S3PO4. And second one, S3PO3. S3PO3. And third one, S3PO2. And fourth one, very important, this is H2PO3. So what is the common unit for everything? Common unit, phosphorus, double bond O, here OH, then here bond, right? This is common for all the oxyacid of phosphorus. Therefore, I put P double bond O, here OH, here bond. Similarly, this also the P double bond O and OH and HH. But in this case, it's very important to put the star on this molecule. Very important for exam point of view. But in this case, the phosphorus, okay, they're containing P double bond O, then here what? OH. Now this only what? Listen, only 3 oxygen, right? And 2 hydrogen atom. Okay, this molecule, I put here OH. Listen, this molecule, due to the balancing, due to the electron, okay, deficiency is maintained what? Is formed dimer. Because due to the balance of pentavalent. Okay, now see, this is actual structure OH, this is phosphorus, then this is OH, here OH. This structure of what? Dimeric form of H2PO3. Please understand. Okay, now check the formula 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's pentavalent, right? 5 pentavalent. Now this also 1, 2, 3, 4. Due to what? The balancing the pentavalent. Okay, balance the, we call balancing. Due to the balancing, the molecule exists what? It's a dimer form. What is the formula here? H4 and P2O6. Very important. This always exists in dimer. Listen, next point. In oxyacid of phosphorus, okay, you take any oxyacid of phosphorus, only this one. This is very important exam point of view. Only, okay, the H2PO3 in dimeric form. In dimeric form, contain the PP bond. Okay, in the oxyacid, PP bond. மத்த எந்த ஆக்சி ஆசிடுக்கு என்ன கிடையாது pp பாண்ட் கிடையாது ஓகே क्वेश्चन கேட்டாங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பா ஆன்சர் H4P2O6 இதுக்கு மட்டும் தான் pp பாண்ட் இருக்கு other than any how many pp bonds equal to 1 okay then other any oxy acid of phosphorus do not have pp bond very important point for exam point of view you can note it okay and go for first structure then how many oxygen 4 oxygen I put 2 oxygen therefore your oxygen then balance oxygen 3 hydrogen I put only 1 hydrogen then OH similar this was very simple right I put here OH then here H but in this one only 2 oxygen replace 3 hydrogen HH now see then what is basicity we have to know basicity that equal to what the number of OH group OH group okay very simple now what is the basicity for this molecule simple we can find out right this is group GRO now basicity this is 3 OH either basicity 2 right 2 OH your basicity H3PO 2 basicity 1 in the dimer basicity 1 2 3 4 understand okay listen the OH are responsible for acidic character now which is more acidic in character this is more acidic yes, how many pH 3H present right 3 OH present right understand now I'm going to give some extra point regarding this oxyacid of phosphorus please note very important point okay the OH bond responsible for acidic character for acidic nature of oxyacid of phosphorus then first point and second point the P double bond O bond this bond is present all oxyacid of phosphorus right this group actually is minus A group what is minus A electron withdrawing group this is minus A group this also what this is always what increasing acidic character this is increasing the acidic character please note increasing the acidic character of the oxyacid of phosphorus then very important the pH bond in oxyacid of phosphorus pH this is responsible for what reducing nature of oxyacid of phosphorus this is responsible for the reducing nature of oxoacid of phosphorus very important oxoacid of phosphorus now go for previous structure How many pH bond? There is no pH bond. Therefore, this is no reducing character. This is no reducing property. No reducing property. For in this case, one OH, right? But this is reducing character. Reducing. Okay. Tick. Now in this two OH, therefore is reducing character. This also tick. Now this molecule, there is no OH. This is no reducing character. Now what type of question are they asking? Multi-slide. What multi-slide? They give the four options: H3PO4 and H3PO3 and H3PO2 and H2PO3. Among the following, which of the following is reducing character? What is the answer? Answer should be, what is the answer? Answer should be 2 and 3, right? These two options. Now H3PO4 and H2PO3 dimeric form do not have pH bond. Therefore, this non-reducing oxyphosphorus acid, other than what? Reducing character of what? Reducing character having, okay, because of due to what? The pH bond. Understand? Very, very important. Now I'm going to explain the what is pyro, what is meta. Okay, we discuss one by one now. On next slide, I'm going to explain. Please note the pyrophosphoric acid. Very important. Very simple, right? Pyrophosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. Simple. See, we discussed already, right? I take 2 moles of ic acid, right? What is ic acid? H3PO4. I take 2 moles of ic acid. I take H3PO4. I take 2 moles. I remove the water molecule. I put minus H2O. What is the formula I get? 2, 5, right? 2%, 3, 6, right? 6, 2%, 4, H4P2O7. This is pyrophosphoric acid. What is the structure? Here P double bond O, here OH. This is OH and OH. This is what? Orthophosphoric acid, right? Then take other mole of orthophosphoric acid. P double bond O, then this is OH and this is OH and OH. I remove the water molecule. Simple. This OH, this H can be released, right? I get what? The P double bond O, here OH. This also OH. Then here OP double bond O, here OH and OH. Now what is basicity for this one? What is the formula? Same. H4P2O7. What is basicity? How many OH? 1, 2, 3, 4 OH. Okay. Then how many POP1? POP1. How many? 1. How many PP1? 0. Okay. Only what? That S3 what? The IPO only what containing PP1. Other than oxy acid of that IPO molecule do not have what? The PP1. Understand? Thus I go for what? Same case. You apply the same formula. I get what? Pyrophosphorus acid. If I take H3PO3 now, I get what? Pyrophosphorus acid. This first one. First, second one, go and discuss. See. The second one, that is pyrophosphorus acid. Okay. Pyrophosphorus acid. Phosphorus acid. Same principle. Okay. If I take H3PO3, 2 molecule, remove the water molecule, H2O. What is the formula? You get it. H4P2O5, right? Now what is the structure? Simple. Phosphorus, here double bond O, here OH, here H, this OH, right? This is what? Orthophosphorus acid. Then take other mole. P double bond O, here OH, then here H, then here OH. This oxygen. Okay. I remove the water molecule and the OH, this H can be released, right? Therefore, I put what? P double bond O, then here O, and P double bond O, here OH, and H, here H, and OH. So this is what? What is the formula? Same. H4P2O5. Now, what is the basicity? How many OH group? 2 OH. Therefore, the basicity is equal to 2. How many POP1? The POP1 is equal to 1. How many PP1? 0. Closer to put 0. You know very well, right? This one. This is what? Pyrophosphorus acid. Next, I'm going to discuss the metaoxo acid. Okay. See, second series. Please note metaoxo acid. Very important. Please note metaoxo acid. Oxo acid. Very simple. Okay. Take 2 moles of ic acid, right? More than 2. M. Okay. Remember, the more than the 2 molecules more than 2 molecules of ic acid. Remove the water molecule. I put NH2O. I get what? Meta acid. This meta classified two types. One is chain. Then is next one is cyclic. We discuss one by one. First we discuss about the chain. Then I go for cyclic. Okay. Now going to discuss the cyclic metaphosphoric acid. Please note. Topic is first one. This is chain. Okay. First discuss chain. Chain. This is metaphosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. Chain now open. Cyclic na ring. You know very well the basic thing. Now I take what? 3 moles. See the formula. Okay. I take what? H3PO4. I take 3 moles, for example. I remove the water molecule. I remove a 2H2O. Right? What is the formula? I get it. I get it H5P3, then O10. If I take 3 moles, now I get what? Tri-meta. What is formula? This one. Meta, 3 moles. Therefore, tri-phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. Now, what is the structure? We know, right? Simple structure. P double bond O. Here double bond O. Here OH. This one molecule. P double bond O. Okay. Also double bond O. Here OH and OH. Take other molecule. Okay. Plus and plus. Take other molecule. P double bond O. Here OH. Here OH. Then this also. Sorry, this OH only, right? This OH. Wait. Only one PO bond, right? OH. This OH. This also OH. Okay. This also OH. Now remove the water molecule. Remove 2 water molecule, 2 H2O. How the 2 H2O can release? Now this H2O release and H this H2O this release, right? So what is structure I get? I draw structure here. Okay. I draw the structure here instead of this space. See. Very important. Okay. Now, what is the structure? How many water release? 2 H2O, right? Now, what is the formula? And P double bond O and OH and O and P double bond O, then OH, then oxygen and phosphorus and P double bond O, then OH. Here also OH. Here also OH. Same simple. Now, how many hydrogen atom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, H5. How many oxygen atom? 1, 2. How many phosphorus? 3. H3P3. How many oxygen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. H10. O10. Right? Simple. What is the formula? H5P3 O10. Sir, I go every time I go and write this way. I remove the water molecule. I get the formula. No, the trick. What is the simple trick? Okay. In case of meta. Okay, meta chain phosphoric acid. Okay, meta chain phosphoric acid. What is the formula? This is very important. Okay, please, this is general formula. Okay, what is the general formula? It should be H n plus 2. Okay, and P n on oxygen 3n plus 1. Simple. What's the formula you have to memorize? H n plus 2 on phosphorus n on oxygen 3n plus 2. 3n plus 1. Now, sure n should be more than 2, right? Yes or no? Put n is equal to 3. What is the formula? H 3 plus 2 5. Then P3 and 3 into 3 9. 9 plus 1 10. I get this formula. Simple, right? Then n is equal to 4, put 4. 4 plus 2, 6, yes, 6. Then this is P6 and 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 4 3 12, 13. Therefore, O 13. Understand? Very simple. Okay. When I apply this formula, we can find out what? The general molecular formula for what? Meta chain phosphoric acid. Now I'm going to discuss the chain form of what? The meta phosphoric acid. Very, very important. Cyclic form. The chain form over, right? This cyclic form, please know. This is very important for exam point of view. This one. The metacyclic acid. metacyclic acid. This is important. Same thing. Now, please note one by one key points. First point, the GF, general formula. HPO3 n times. Cyclic, right? General formula. Now, the minimum, what is the value n? Minimum n, the minimum unit. The minimum unit for metacyclic should be 2. Very important. And third point, okay, this is formed by ends or join each other. Okay, every form out the ends are joined. Sorry, the ends are what? Join each other. Join each. I will show how. Okay, each other. Very important. Okay, now listen. I take N S3PO4. Same. I remove of water molecule. I remove NH2O. So what is the formula I get? S3HPO3 n times. This is a formula. This is what? Cyclic, right? Now I give you one example. See the example. Phosphorus and double bond O. Okay, here OH, here OH. This is end. Okay, this is end. Understand? Same. Take other phosphorus. P double bond O. Here OH. Okay, this OH and this OH. These are end. These are end. This are end. They undergo what? Removal of water molecule. They remove the water molecule. They form what? 2H2O can replace. They form the cyclic method. And the P double bond O, here OH, then oxygen and oxygen, right? Then here phosphorus and P double bond O, OH. This is what? The how many value? Listen, 1, 2, 3, right? See, very important. Okay, please know. What is the formula here? H2, P2, O6. Or you also call this or HPO3 twice. Very important, please note. Okay. What is N value? N is equal to 2, right? N is equal to here 2. Understand? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Listen, very important point, please note. Very important point, please note. Note, very important point. They are asking, listen, ring size. They are asking ring size. What is the formula? For ring size, answer is 2n. 2n. Okay. Now, what is n value? 2, right? That 2 into 2, 4. Therefore, this is 4-member ring, right? This is 4-member ring. Understand? Very simple. 4-member ring. Now, they are asking how many POP bond. They are asking how many POP bond. POP bond. That's equal to what? N. How many POP bond? N was equal to 2. Therefore, in this molecule, for in this, okay, I take this example, simple example. I take H2 and P2 and O6. I can draw this like, right? HPO3 and 2. This N is equal to 2 now. For in this molecule, okay, how many, what is the ring size for this molecule? The ring size, what is the answer? 2n, right? Therefore, 2 into 2, answer is 4. This is 4-member ring. Now, what is it? How many POP bond? The POP bond. What is the answer? Should be n. Therefore, 2. For in this HPO3 twice, 2 times, should be 4-member ring as well as what? The 2 POP bond. This previous question from the JAM exam point of view. Please note. Very, very important this formula to find out what? How many ring and how many POP bond. Okay. I give an example in this slide. You can try to find out until the answer in comment section. Okay. Please note. Question is, find out the ring size. A ring size as well as, okay, number of POP bond for this molecule. Please note. H12, P12, O36. Find out and tell us in comment section. Okay, what is the ring size or number of POP bond? Okay, this is complete about what? The oxyacid of phosphorus. Okay, it's very, very important topic for a JAM exam, not only for JAM exam, all entrance exam. Okay, thanks so much for watching and see you in the studio as soon as possible. And tada, bye bye.